I'm Ashley.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Brittany. And we're here to talk with some of our partners.
Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm excited to be here with James Sanders, VP of Marketing with CRS, one of the OrderCounter partners. And James, tell us a little bit about why you like partnering with the OrderCounter team and our partners.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for having me on the interview. Love OrderCounter and the channel-centric nature that OrderCounter embodies and the values that you guys have. And you guys are all fun. We love you guys.
You're a good time too. So speaking of the partner conference, you guys are going to be proud sponsors, and we're thrilled to have you at our show this year, and wanted to share with the audience a little bit about what they can expect to see new from you guys.
Yeah, great. Thanks for asking. We're going to be bringing our popular products here, so thermal printers, impact printers. We're also going to be displaying some of our new terminals here with the latest and greatest processing power. So we're excited to show you guys what we have.
That's awesome. Well, we're super excited to have you. So I have one more fun question for you. If you had walk-up music, what would it be?
Walk-up music. She's a brick house. Or it's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie, woogie.
Oh, I love it. Awesome. I told you, James, this is a fun time. So looking forward to seeing you at our partner conference, and it's always a pleasure to connect.
We'll see you there.